Finally, today, Vietnam lawmakers approved the extension of e-visa validity to 3 months. Oh boy, have I some great news for us, for you, for everyone. And we waited really so long for this. Today, Vietnam lawmakers approved the extension of e-visa validity to 3 months. I just got this news from Vietnam Express. This is what I mentioned in one of my previous videos, that the assembly, the Vietnamese, state assembly today voted in this matter. It was scheduled for June 24 today. They even work on a Saturday. And I will link the article down in the description. You can find the link there. You can read it for yourself. It's black and white. It's true. It's approved. It will be effective August 15. Okay, this is something I have expected. They were not going to implement this immediately, but I mean, it's 1.5 months away from now. I think it's okay. It's also okay with the planning process and everything. You know, we have to plan properly and accordingly also our travels, right? So I think that's fair enough. Yeah, 470 out of 475 members actually voted for the amendment, which is a great number. And yeah, that means that now the e-visa extends from 30 to 90 days and multiple entry visas will be granted, will be permitted. This is all what we and I was waiting for so long, because it takes the whole thing to a very new level. It gives us so much more flexibility and time, especially for the long-term travelers among us. You know, 1 month is really not enough. I can tell you that. I'm a long-term traveler. Yes, there are people who travel long-term and have more time and maybe also more money available. Yeah. One of the reasons the Vietnamese also voted for this is that it gives, according to their opinion, investors also more time to look around in Vietnam. It's all written in the article. Yeah, maybe that's the case, or maybe not, I don't know, but I can tell you, if you want to travel around in Vietnam, 1 month is not enough. If you want to travel the country, if you want to see things, explore, it is not enough, trust me. Yeah. And this is a great thing. It's a very good move. Let's see how this will affect the tourism numbers and anything else. But I think now Vietnam makes it much more easy and convenient for travelers. Also, the visa-free stays now, they have been increased from 15 days to 45 days. So until now, it was the case that certain countries, some of them were European countries, not all European Union members, but some European countries, like I think Germany, France, maybe Great Britain, Switzerland, these countries and some more countries were allowed, so its citizens are allowed to come to Vietnam without any visa. You just arrive at the airport, show your passport at the immigration, you get a job of 15 days. And then you can stay for 15 days and then you have to leave. This will be now increased to 45 days. I assume also for these countries. I don't know if they increased the numbers of eligible countries. We have to wait for details. But I assume Germany is among these countries. I mean, this is even better than in Thailand now. In Thailand you get a visa-free entry for 30 days now. In the Philippines the same. In Vietnam, I assume Germany is always on the list because we have one of the strongest passports anyway. I can then travel to Vietnam for 45 days visa-free. This is really, really great, you know. Also, Japan and Korea, I mean South Korea obviously, now are allowed, according to the new visa law, Japanese and Korean travelers are allowed to come in for 15 days visa-free. So I don't know what's their status now. I think they need an e-visa, 30-day e-visa or what, huh? And that also makes sense, especially for the Koreans. Actually, they should amend it to 45 days for the Koreans. The Koreans are, at the moment, I think, the biggest market here in Vietnam. Definitely. I mean, at least here in Da Nang, you see a lot of Koreans. Da Nang is popular with Koreans. Okay, I don't want to get into the nitty-gritty here and this and that. In my opinion, they should make it easier for the Koreans, but overall this is great news. This is breaking news. That's why I'm recording this video today. It's worth sharing. Yeah, buckle up guys. Vietnam is coming. 3 months multiple entry. That's great, multiple entry. You know, you can exit, you can enter. I don't know about the cost of the visa and the processing time. This will be, of course, determined later. They will now work everything out. Effective August 15, guys and girls. According to the statement, according to the press release today, everything will be settled. So let's see. I don't know what the cost will be. Maybe $100. This is my estimation. Something like that, right? No idea, but even it costs $100, it would be worth it. I would pay $100. Let me know what you think about this whole issue, about the news, about the visa fee. What should people pay for their multiple entry visa? What do you think? Let me know. And I'm checking out now. It's getting hot here again on a Saturday afternoon in Da Nang at Mike Beach. It's hot, it's humid, and what I didn't know, there are these fireworks. There's this fireworks competition in town for 4 weeks now. Every Saturday 2 countries are competing with a firework contest here down at the Han River. So tonight I'm gonna check it out for the first time. The last week Saturday I was at home. Suddenly I hear some fireworks noise. I didn't know what was going on, and then I read it in the internet, so I missed it, you know. But sometimes in Asia it's like this anyway. You hear some fireworks, especially in China and Vietnam. There's fireworks everywhere, almost on every occasion sometimes. But anyway, I'm gonna check it out today. If I can produce some worthwhile material, then I will post it on my YouTube channel. Stick around, have fun, and I wish you all a great day wherever you are. Take care, bye bye.